Okay, think about this for a second. What's that one thing in your home that you see all the time, but you never really, look at? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the humble cotton ball and show you why it might just be the most underrated, essential item you've got.
So really, how much can one little cotton ball do? When you picture one, you're probably thinking makeup remover, right? Maybe a little first aid. And yeah, you're right. But what if I told you that's just scratching the surface? Just how much power is packed into this one tiny fluffy sphere?
Don't let its simple look fool you, though. This little thing is an absolute powerhouse. It's a true multi-purpose tool that helps us out with beauty, with health, and even in some pretty professional situations. So let's dive in and see exactly how it earns that title of everyday multitasker.
All right, so let's kick things off with something we all know pretty well: beauty and skincare. Now, most of us, our minds immediately go to taking off makeup or nail polish, but its real role in our daily routines, it's so much bigger than that.
And this is where you really see the cotton ball's two-sided nature. See, it's not just about taking things off. It's an amazing tool for putting things on, too. It's super gentle, so it can get rid of that stubborn mascara without irritating your skin. But it's also the perfect little vehicle for applying stuff like toners and creams really evenly and softly.
Yeah, and this just drives that point home, right? When you use a cotton ball for toner, you get this really clean, even layer, and you're not wasting half the product on your fingertips. And it's the same deal for skin creams or maybe some spot treatments. It's all about getting that gentle, precise, and, hygienic application.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's that amazing combo of being super gentle but also getting the job done. And that exact same quality that makes it perfect for your face, well, that's exactly what makes it a star in our next category.
I'm talking about first aid and protection. This is where the cotton ball totally shifts gears. It goes from being a cosmetic tool to a legit must-have in your medicine cabinet. It plays a really key part in just basic, everyday healthcare.
Its main job here is honestly so important. You just dampen a cotton ball, and it becomes the perfect thing for gently cleaning your skin or a minor wound. Think about it. It's absorbent, it's soft, and it's disposable. That is exactly what you need when you're dealing with little cuts and scrapes and trying to keep things clean. But wait, it doesn't stop with just cleaning. Oh no, they are way more versatile. You can use them as soft padding under a bandage, to give a wound a little cushion and protect that sensitive skin. They're also perfect for applying direct pressure to stop minor bleeding. And, in a pinch, you can even use them as part of a temporary dressing. It's a surprisingly tough little tool.
Okay, so we've hit beauty, we've hit first aid. You might think that's the whole story, right? But the cotton ball's versatility? It doesn't even stop there. To really get how useful this thing is, we've got to look just a little deeper at some uses that are less common but just as important.
And that brings us here. In more professional or even scientific settings, cotton balls are used for things like collecting samples for a lab or for carefully applying certain chemicals. Because they're sterile and absorbent, they're perfect for jobs that need to be really precise and really clean. I mean, think about that. From your bathroom counter all the way to a science lab, that's some serious range. So the next time you reach for that bag of cotton balls, maybe you'll see them a little differently. Not just as a little puff of cotton, but as this amazing, versatile tool that's ready for pretty much anything. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other unsung heroes are just sitting there, hiding in plain sight in your own home?